in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Lock Screen, and enable Assistant responses on lock screen. Now go back and enable Voice Match. Let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's lock the screen and simply say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 17 and a low of 7.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.